really want to create note taking mini project, then watch till the end. Just go to the ChatGPT and type note taking app, where we can create, organize and delete all our recorded notes. So then we will get the response similar to this, like ChatGPT is giving us a create a full featured note taking app with the text format, and here is the code. You will get a complete code on ChatGPT, but there is a possibility maybe you will get some errors, but it will GPT will also help you, to solve those errors later. And make sure for complete source code, the link is given in the description. Go and copy the code from there if you really want it. So yeah, here you can see through ChatGPT we are getting complete code. Now this code only works in a terminal, so I'm going to make it in a GUI form. So just type make it in a GUI form, and let's see. After that, ChatGPT will use these libraries like import these libraries and make it in a GUI form, so which looks more cool and proper visibility using GUI. So that's why I'm using it. Yes, you can see bunch of large number of codes we are getting. Just copy all this code and then follow the instruction and just copy it and go to the terminal or go to any editor, and like I'm using here VS Code, and just create a Python of some file and paste your complete code. You can see the number of lines of code. Run it in the terminal and just wait and watch. Within 2 minutes we are ready. So this is a great mini project. If you really want to learn Python, then you can must try this project, or in college also you are able to build it. The source code is given in description, so go to that link, you will get the code if you really want. As you can see, after running in terminal, we are getting this in the GUI form. Here you can see already 2 notes are saved, but like you import app library with timestamp as well. As you can see, timestamp, tags, and proper content which we saved, everything is. Just go to, if you have to add something new, just go to add notes, click, and then here you can able to create add some new notes as number of notes you want to make it. So yes, just write some random. Let's see, here we are getting a proper places to type our text and contents, and after giving a tag I will save it. So yeah, just click on save, and you can see the latest notes which I saved. We are able to see it, AI to 2024 with time span, text and content as well. So yeah, this way we can get store our all notes here, and we can modify it as well. Like if you want to update functionalities, or if you want some more greater GUI, then you can update it as well. This is just a sample, that's why this is very basic. And you can see after clicking on delete node, we are able to delete notes as well. So yeah, this is a complete project. For more, must follow the channel.